In the mountains of ancient China, the Shaolin monks followed a simple rule. If you cannot control your mind, you cannot control your life. Weakness is not a monster outside of you. Weakness is a quiet voice inside, persuading you to remain the same. Today I will reveal a routine born from the discipline of monks. A routine so pure and so demanding that it does not just train the body, it purifies the mind. This is not motivation. This is a practice, a path, a way of living that breaks weakness from the roots. Sit with me, breathe, and listen deeply. Weakness does not arrive suddenly. It is the result of small, repeated moments of surrender. It is built when you delay what must be done. Choose comfort over growth. Allow your mind to wander without direction. Let your emotions control your actions. A Shaolin master once said, "The mind becomes soft when the heart seeks comfort." To break weakness, you must first see it clearly. To see it, you must become still. When you observe your thoughts without judgment, you realize the enemy is not the world around you, the enemy is within. And that is good news, because what is within you is also within your control. Step 1. Rise without hesitation. A monk does not negotiate with the morning. When the bell rings, the body rises. There is no 5 minutes more, because every hesitation is a seed of weakness. When you rise immediately, you declare to your mind, "I lead, you follow." This is the first victory of the day, a silent, powerful triumph. Step 2. Cold water, the cleansing ritual. In many temples, monks wash their faces with cold water at dawn, not for comfort, but to awaken the spirit. Cold water teaches an ancient lesson. Your body rebels, but your spirit stands firm. When the cold touches your skin, breathe slowly. Feel the shock, accept it, master it. This moment sets the tone for your day. You choose discomfort, you choose clarity, you choose strength. Step 3. 45 minutes of hard practice. Shaolin monks do not train for appearance. They train to strengthen the mind. In your practice, whether running, martial arts, or body training, push until your breath deepens, until your muscles tremble, until your mind whispers stop. That whisper is weakness leaving your body. A monk continues not because the body is strong, but because the mind is unshaken. Remember this ancient teaching. If you do not challenge the body, the mind will remain fragile. Let the training carve discipline into your bones. Step 4. 1 hour of silent, undistracted work in the temple. Monks spend hours practicing one thing with absolute presence. You must do the same. Turn off your phone. Close unnecessary tabs. Let silence fill the room. Choose a task that shapes your future. Studying, creating, writing, building your skill. And for one sacred hour, you offer your full attention. Your mind becomes a blade. Most people cannot give 5 minutes of true focus. If you can give 60, you separate yourself from millions. This is where transformation happens. Step 5. The Truth Journal. Ritual monks end their day in reflection, not to judge themselves, but to understand themselves. Before sleep, ask yourself, what did I plan today? What did I truly accomplish? Where did weakness appear? How can I respond with strength tomorrow? Write your answers. Do not hide. Do not excuse. Truth is the medicine that purifies the mind. A disciplined life is impossible without honest reflection. This routine is powerful not because it is hard, but because it attacks the roots of weakness. Morning hesitation, attachment to comfort, lack of physical resilience, mental distraction, emotional dishonesty. Shaolin monks often say, the mind grows stronger only when it is challenged. Each part of this routine challenges you in a different direction. It shapes your body, sharpens your mind, strengthens your spirit. Over time, you begin to feel something incredible. Your old self slipping away. Noise becomes silence. Fear becomes clarity. Weakness becomes strength. In just 30 days, Your mind becomes calmer, your body becomes firmer, your discipline becomes automatic, your focus becomes deeper, your inner strength becomes unshakable. People around you will notice, but the biggest transformation is internal. You will look in the mirror and see a person who no longer negotiates with weakness. You will see a warrior, peaceful, sharp, grounded, like a monk who carries a storm inside, but walks with serenity. If you feel lost, if your spirit feels heavy, if your mind feels scattered, begin this routine. Not tomorrow, not when you feel ready. Today, the Shaolin path teaches one truth. The journey of strength begins with a single disciplined breath. Take that breath now and step forward. More teachings, more routines, and more wisdom await you. Join me on this path.